Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on how to log in. In today's video, I will show you how you can download your eBay app on your device. eBay is an American multinational e-commerce company that facilitates customer to customer and business to customer sales through its website. Now, if you also want to use eBay and wants to get eBay app on your device, then this video will help you to download eBay app on your device. So follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to know the exact process for it. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future uploads from our channel. Now, in order to download the eBay app, firstly you need to open up Play Store or App Store on your device. And there on the search bar, search for eBay. And once you get that on your screen, you just need to tap on install button. Once you tap on install button, eBay app will start to download. And there you go, your app has been downloaded and installed to your device. And there you will be able to see eBay app on your device. Now that's all it takes to download your eBay app on your device. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.